Life doesn't always go the way we imagine. A breakup can shake your confidence, your emotions, and even your identity. But remember this, a breakup is not the end of your story. In the next few minutes, let's talk about how you can rise again, rebuild yourself, and come out even stronger. The first step after a breakup is simple, but not easy. Accept your feelings. You may feel hurt, angry, confused, or even numb. And all of it is okay. Don't force yourself to be fine immediately. Healing is not a race. Give yourself permission to cry, to rest, and to feel. You are not weak for breaking down. You are human. It's natural to hold on to memories, messages, and what-ifs. But healing begins when you slowly detach. Not with hatred, but with acceptance. Mute their social media. Create space between you and the past. Remind yourself, if this person was meant to stay, they would have. Letting go is not about forgetting them. It's about remembering yourself. A breakup often leaves a gap in your life. But here's the good news. That space can now be filled with you. Reconnect with the things you love doing. Read, travel, work out, learn something new. Rebuild your routines and take care of your body and mind. You'll be surprised how much strength you actually have. Make a list of goals, big or small, things you want to accomplish for your growth. This is your time to rediscover who you are, independent of anyone else. When you're hurting, isolation feels comfortable, but connection is healing. Talk to your closest friends. Spend time with people who genuinely care for you. Share your thoughts. Share your fears. Sometimes the right conversation with the right person can change everything. You don't have to carry the weight alone. Breakups teach us lessons we usually don't want to learn. They show us what we deserve, what we need to improve, and what we should never settle for again. Instead of asking, why did this happen to me? Start asking, what is this trying to teach me? Shift your focus from loss to growth. A new mindset can turn pain into power. Healing after a breakup is not about forgetting someone. It's about remembering your own worth. One day you'll look back and realize that this ending created space for a better beginning. So take a deep breath, stand up again, and move forward slowly, steadily, confidently. You are stronger than you think, and this chapter will not break you. It will build you.